We're going to set up and assign different tail gain to each flight mode. The reason for this is when in normal flight mode with a lower head speed, we can use a higher tail gain. But when in ILP 1 and 2, the higher head speed might cause a tail oscillation or tail wag if the same tail gain is used for normal ILP 1 and ILP 2. For this particular case, we're using a Spektrum DX8 transmitter. I had set the values in already ahead of time. Let's get started. Press the squirrel and go to power cycle on. It's going to take us to system setup. We're going to go to switch select, second column, third down, gov, make sure it's on aux2, back, F mode setup, make sure it's on F mode, hold, back. Now we're going to go main screen. Press the squirrel, take us to function list. Now we're going to go to governor. That's where we change our settings. For my heli, I chose normal is 60, ILP 1 stunt 1 is 55, ILP 2 stunt 2 is 50, hold is 65, channel is gear, switch is F mode. Now let's test it. If you notice, there's an arrow right next to the 60 in normal flight mode. Once I switch over to ILP 1, we get a 55, arrow goes there, and then we get 50 on stunt 2. Now in throttle hold, it's going to go to 65. Now I'm going to elaborate why I chose that setting. Typically, the concept is you want to lower tail gain when you go from normal to ILP 2. And then for normal, you get 60. And as we go down to stunt 1, ILP 1, a little bit lower tail gain because we go higher head speed. And then as you go to ILP 2, you get a higher head speed, so it goes to 50. Now it's different for each heli. This is just for my setup. And then when you go to throttle hold, you get 65. So it doesn't really prevent any tip over, getting too sensitive. Now you can verify this with other computer PC setups that you can go on the flybarless setting and see on the diagnostic screen. It'll show that on the tail gain.